episode 6 of Print and Paint. So today I'm going for Mini again. I went back with the Artisan Guild, so they have really amazing model, and they have a couple of them for free on Thingiverse. So right here in the background you can see I'm doing the Amazon wire. So it's one, I think they have like 4 or 5 models free on Thingiverse, and they're really amazing. Like if you want to make minis and have great detail, they're really good. So I'm gonna link the model in the description and let's print it. Okay, I'm in Chitubox. I'm using auto support again, but this new version, the 1.6, is really terrible. 1.5 was really good for auto support, but right now it's just a mess. I really have to check the setting and try to refine it. So after hitting the auto support, I'm just going back and checking again for what I can take off, what I can add. I've tried to replace the support in a better way, like this one. I don't want like 10 weird support instead of just a good one. So here, just here, add a couple more. Make sure everything is supported. And let's go print. I'm gonna show you a bit of the cleaning. The print came out good. I'm going gently, trying not to break anything. I remove the support first and then I dip it in the batch and clean it. Okay, the print is finished. As you saw, everything went really well. This one is really tiny. It's kind of a shame, like those kind of quality of model, the Artisan Guild, you could print this one in like 15 cm probably and keep all the detail, because I feel like if you keep it at 100% scale, you're kind of losing a lot of nice detail. But it's still cool. I'm gonna paint it as a mini and have some fun. Let's go. Base coating dark skin for this one. Since it's an Amazon, I figure why not change. Here I jumped after all my base coats, so I just went ahead and cut my colors. Some blue hair, why not? I'm going on the skin right now, so I'm giving the volume. It's the same process as usual. I just try to get my blend a bit better. That's always the struggle, trying to blend everything, get a smooth result, but it's not happening yet. I need many more time. Here on the leather, I'm going with some highlights. After all my base coat, I go back and just give volume to everything. So now you can see everything at some dark spot and some highlights. Here I'm on the skin. What I'm doing is not the volume, but it's really like the light direction from the top left. Trying to give the shine a bit. Here on the laser it's just black wash, trying to give some patina on the piece. Only the laser part though. Trying to get some detail on the wood. I had to redo the line a bit, trying to give some detail of it. The cape I tried as well, so right now I have a really like a watery paint, trying to blend with really smooth transition. But when it's too watery, it's a bit messy. You're not really painting, you're more like dripping pigment on the piece. So I went back and I did it again a couple of times. Here I'm on the sword. So online recently it's all the rage about non-metallic paint, everyone is doing it and stuff, so I figure let's try. That's a good sword, really simple. I might be able to make it, so I went for it. I had a couple of try, like I don't have everything on camera, but I went ahead and tried the different highlights, shadows, colors. I know some people use a bit of kind of blue or reddish color to try to give this tint, like this metal feeling. So I just tried. It's just going back and forth with highlight and shadow and colors and see what kind of transition you have, what's giving you the best feeling. After a lot of time on the sword, I had the base that I find online. I just went around and tried to find like something, and I find this one. I'm gonna link in the description. So I printed it, paint, some wash, some brush, and now I'm just putting PVA glue to have some grass on top, and really bright grass. When it's dry, I'm checking where I'm gonna put my minis. Then I drill a small hole. So I have a hole already on the bottom of the feet. So I put my wires, put in the base, the model, some glue, and I set for a bit. Okay, finish with the Amazon. I'm really happy with this one. Everything went really well. I had to try the non-metallic paint on the blade, darker skin, try to have my blend a bit better, a bit smoother. I gave a nice base as well, like really easy. I just print it and put some foliage on top, but the result overall is really nice, and it was like a good training for me. And like last time, I really enjoyed painting the mini. So yes, this Amazon is really nice. I give you a quick look and a close-up after. So yeah, see you in the next episode. Tschüss.